Hello everyone, welcome to week 6. So I'm opening up the chapter content for 5 and I'm opening up week 6 for you. 2 lectures. EMTALA is one. What is EMTALA? What does it mean? What does it, highlight? So EMTALA, what is EMTALA? And then also some information about just healthcare risk, practicing risk, and some of the challenges that we run into and see with providers and such. So you have your information, which is here for the week, of course, and I'm going to get it on the view that you'll see. So you have Chapter 5, of course. Chapter 5 review questions are due this week by Sunday, and then also Chapter 5 lecture questions. So Chapter 5 lecture question is going to be really, really cool because it's talking specifically about EMTALA. So make sure you watch the lecture here on EMTALA, which I recorded, and I'll try to put it in a YouTube mashup. It wouldn't let me do it because I just uploaded it recently. So take a look at that EMTALA piece before you answer your review question. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I think it's going to be a fun week. I think you're going to learn a lot. Another thing I would highlight is make sure you review the consent in Washington State. There's some interesting consent outlines that I think you might not be aware of. Again, reach out if you have any questions. 2 things due this week: your chapter review questions and your lecture question. So appreciate all your work. Looking forward to seeing your answers, and if you have anything you need, let me know. Thanks.